Namaskar, I'm dermatologist Dr. Ipshita Johri, and you are watching this video to learn how to choose the correct sunscreen for your skin according to your skin type. Sunscreen is the most integral part and the major part of your skincare routine, a thing that you cannot step out without. But there are so many sunscreens in the market available for you that you end up spending money and not finding the right sunscreen for your skin type. So here I am to help you out. Let's start with people who have normal skin. Normal skin is a skin that behaves as per weather. It's a slight oily during the summer season, it is slightly dry during the winter season, and otherwise behaves normally. Most of the products suit on a normal skin type. For this skin, I have 3 products for you. I have this sunscreen, which you can use it on an outdoorsy day if you have a lot of sun exposure. And this is one sunscreen that is really loved by men. If you love wearing gel-based sunscreen, you can actually try this one on a normal skin. Also, I have a little glowy sunscreen for people who like a glowy effect on the skin. You can use this particular sunscreen. So these are my sunscreen recommendations for normal skin. Now let's come to sensitive skin. It is the most difficult to find a perfect sunscreen for sensitive skin because most of the sunscreens will give you irritation around the eye or tingling around the lips. To prevent this, you can go for these 2 sunscreens. This is the one that suits normal to oily skin, which is a little sensitive, and this sunscreen suits people who have a sensitive skin but very dry skin. Also, for people who are undergoing skin treatments like microneedling or lasers, should prefer this restoring sunscreen. Now let's help people who have oily skin. So these are my 2 recommendations. Epilite is usually loved by most of the people who have acne prone oily skin, and for people who just do not want to show up that they're wearing anything on their skin, here's a water-based sunscreen. This completely gets absorbed onto your skin without leaving any cast. This is the sunscreen that I use personally and really love the results. Now I have something special if you are a person who has pigmentation. You cannot use all these sunscreens, but you have to go for a mineral-based sunscreen. In this case, a mineral-based sunscreen, even a little quantity of it, spreads these mineral particles which actually physically reflect the sunlight. This is really helpful if you're getting freckles, pigmentation, melasma, or any kind of dyschromatosis, that is uneven skin tone on the skin. Now let's move on to people who like to do makeup but a minimalistic approach. Here are some tinted sunscreens. Both of these are really lovely. This one you apply just half a pump, otherwise it will leave a white cast, but just half a pump, it will give a very glowy effect on the skin. Talking about this one, this is again a gel-based tinted sunscreen which comes in many shades. So here you can choose your shade and you can use it instead of a BB cream or a CC cream or makeup, and even a base can be replaced by use of this sunscreen. Let's talk about kids. Kids also require sunscreen, especially after the age of 8 to 9 once their outdoor exposure increases. For them, you can use the kids sunscreen and make them into a habit of using sunscreen daily. It's a good idea to develop a habit of sunscreen application in your kids. You can always give them this sunscreen to apply 30 minutes before they leave the school. Morning, they can apply it again 30 minutes before they leave for the school, because it does take 30 minutes for the sunscreen to get activated. Let's move on to people with body sunscreen requirements, that is swimmers or people who like to wear half sleeves, or if you just have a very tanned arms or foot area where you want a detanning effect. You can use creams like glycolic acids or retinols during night for anti-aging and skin lightening effect on the body. Now here are 2 sunscreens that you can use for the body. This one is particularly good if you have a high exposure or if you are a swimmer, and this is a regular use sunscreen for arms and foot. I hope this video really helped you, and if you like to see content like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. This is Dr. Ipshita Johri signing off. Namaskar.